Good morning, guys. Guess what today is? It is the official Father's Day. Yes, the official one. Because as you know, last week I got fooled into thinking that last Sunday was Father's Day and we went out to breakfast and stuff. But today is the real Father's Day. So what I'm doing is making breakfast. We got him a gift. We stayed up pretty late last night, like really late, like 4 o'clock in the morning late. And right now it's 10:30. I woke up at like 9. I don't know why my body decided that 5 hours of sleep was enough, but I should still be sleeping, but I'm not. So we're making breakfast. So come on. I'm making turkey bacon and some eggs. And yeah, fast forward the clip, Melissa. Anybody who knows that I can't eat eggs. And I don't think I can eat the turkey bacon either. I can eat regular bacon, but I don't think I can eat the turkey bacon. So this is strictly for Kilo and the kids. And Kilo does not like eggs with cheese, but the kids do, so. Stick these inside here like this. Put all of this in the toaster oven until they go. Have to say, I did not want to get this toaster oven because I wanted to be cheap and just get like a toaster with like 4 slots. And Kilo made me get this toaster oven, and I'm telling you, I'm glad that I did, because you can do everything. You can cook in here. It's a toaster slash tiny oven. So shout out to Kilo for making me get the more expensive toaster. Yeah. He's awake. Sorry, Lilo, I gotta get the bag. It's not big. I wish he said, "Is that bacon I smell?" He's gonna be. What is it? He's gonna be sadly mistaken. It's turkey bacon. I don't have one. Wow, you're up early. You weren't supposed to be up.
I smell bacon. Hold on, we gotta get appropriate.
You saw Kilo in the real deal, in the raw. You don't even got your hair on, babe. He didn't even think about having no hair though. Listen, guys, that's the only time you're ever gonna see Kilo without his do-rag, okay? So just be happy. It's Father's Day and he could be in the raw. He said when I went to bed, I had a whole full head of hair. What happened? You're not getting anything because I know that you're not going to eat anything right now. So I put it away. You're not hungry. I know you're not. You're going to have to wait because I know you.
Okay, now I got my hair with you.
Okay, guys, you just like, you
shut up
stopped.
on us.
You stopped. So anyway, happy Father's Day. Why does my head look so dang big?
Thank you, baby. I don't think it looks big. Maybe a little long.
You hold it?
Yep.
Did my head grow? Oh, my head is long.
It's growing as we speak. Boom, boom, boom.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
To you.
Happy
Anyway.
Father's Day to all the fathers out there that put it down, that are leading by example and never say die, that are willing to go on a stripper pole if they have to for their family. Did you catch my live yesterday?
If you missed the live, Kilo's, I think it was Friday's live.
It was
Saturday's live.
Yesterday's.
You missed it, you have to watch it. He was talking about, you know,
That was funny.
in the struggle, men in the struggle, having to do what they need to do for their family and becoming a stripper.
Real quick.
This guy is the Untamed Lion.
That's it.
Just
Next on the
saying.
stage.
If you ever see him at the club, at the stripper club,
You know shit is rough, and I'm doing what I need to do for my
and they
family.
say, "Welcome the Untamed Lion," it's Kilo.
Start recording. It's going to be one hell of a show. Get your quarter rolls ready.
All right, so we're gonna let him wake up
Salute.
and do the Kilo thing.
I love it. I was waking up. You know how usually you get the coffee commercial and you smell the coffee and it wakes you up.
You
Today,
smelled it?
I smell bacon. I'm like,
Oh.
is that bacon? Bacon is every man's weakness.
I thought I was your weakness.
Oh, you are my weakness. You're my strength and my weakness. Ba-dum-bum-bum.
How about if it's me with bacon just slathered all over my body?
God, that would just be ecstasy. I wouldn't know what to eat first. You were the bacon.
That's disgusting. I can't even like picture that. Like me laying
Have
on
the
the
bacon
bed.
dipping in you.
Yeah, with some syrup. Syrup on my body.
All over your body.
He's gonna be mad, guys. I mean, he's not gonna be mad, but he's gonna be like, oh man, it's turkey bacon. Why turkey bacon though? All right, so next time I get back to you guys, I will probably be dressed or whatever because I have to get ready for the day. And it's not raining out, but it's not like, it's not beautiful. So, you know. Anyway, I'll see you in a minute. Come and eat. Oh, bring daddy's stuff.
What, bring it to?
No, bring it to the kitchen. Come on, Angie. All right, guys. So it's that time. It's that time.
Good morning, everybody.
So, if you didn't watch the live last night, or the night, I think it was last night, Kilo was on live talking about, you know, don't get me something that was conveniently on sale.
Was it?
So, and yeah, so hopefully it's the thought that counts, and it's all the other things I do in life that he could appreciate our Father's Day gift. Huh?
Hallelujah. Happy Father's Day to everyone out there.
Can you get the
That's why I know what I'm walking into, face. I mean, walk.
Happy Father's Day, brother.
Thank you, son.
there you go.
Awesome job, baby. That bacon woke me right up. I'm asleep.
Oh, it's right here. Angie! You should feel blessed because you are the only one with a fork.
I do feel blessed.
Because I think your daughter has she's hoarding all the forks.
Probably is.
I think she is. Pretty sure she has all the forks in her room.
Thank you for making me a father. I couldn't be a father by myself.
No, you
Oh,
couldn't.
really?
Another woman could have made you a father though. It wouldn't have been me.
Nah, no other woman.
The kids wouldn't have been as cool as they are.
This is true. Or as handsome.
Or
Or a little bit uglier.
Yeah,
A little bit shorter.
just a little bit. Just a little bit shorter. Maybe they would have been taller and uglier.
I'll take the shortest.
I'm definitely rooting on uglier.
You're not shorter.
No, anyway.
You're actually tall.
My boy is tall. Taller than we thought he was going to be, right, babe? We thought he was going to be the short one.
Yep. You want syrup for that bacon? It's turkey bacon, babe.
That's fine, then. I like your bacon.
You do? I don't know if I can eat it.
Turkey?
Turkey bacon. We'll see. I
Oh,
tried.
yeah, hopefully you're not.
I don't want no syrup to dip it.
Yeah, why not?
I mean, you don't need to.
Thank you, mother.
Okay.
Angie!
Oh, here you go. It's everything you wanted. It's everything you asked for.
The new 12-inch ratchet set so I can do some work today?
Yeah. And I listened, guys. I listened and I gave him exactly what he was wondering if he was thinking that he was going to get.
What is that?
I thought I was going to get like a dollar store mug that said like
Happy Father's Day?
you're the man or
It
something.
might be in there.
Babe, really? Give me a kiss. You're cute. Give me a high five, son.
Give me a high
I
five.
see you, my daughter.
I don't know what's in there.
Oh, I was about to
You?
give you a high five.
Mwah, you just gave me a kiss.
Okay. About a garlic knot.
And I definitely needed some more of these right here.
It's not underwear.
Not the holy ones. You saw Black Lion's picture?
Uh-huh.
Jackie sent them?
Yeah, I know.
Jackie sent him a picture of a guy's holy underwear. You can see his butt and everything.
It's almost Father's Day, right?
Yeah, something about it's almost Father's Day or
Oh, I
something
get
like
it, I
that.
get it.
Now,
It's a world without Superman. After our fight, that's our fight. Now he's dead.
subliminals. He's gonna beat me up. It's gonna be a world without Superman. I'm gonna be in a wheelchair like Christopher Reeves.
Yep.
But little does he know, Superman rises back. So then on a rematch when he's 17. Guys, y'all already know. DC, best one, Superman.
DC, come here.
These are classics right here. Thank you, sir. Well, thank you, family. I'm gonna say it like that.
You're welcome.
Now you say thank you son for that.
My favorite Heath bars.
You haven't eaten those in a while.
I know because I
keep
feel like
telling
it's
you
for luxury. I'm not.
I keep telling you to buy it, but you never buy it. So I bought it for you.
And that's why I love you. So you know how to take care of me. Me, I won't know how to take care of myself. Then my boo says, he get the big bag. Guys, grab it, boo. The big one. Happy Father's Day. Thank you, family.
Very sweet.
And it wouldn't be right without
That was my idea.
everyone's favorite.
Yep, it was.
Right?
And they're big ones.
Good.
Big.
Yeah?
Times two.
That's it. See?
Oh, 2 times bigger. You're
This
right. I
is
didn't
the
realize-
top shelf, guys. Top shelf of Sour Patch Kids. 2 times bigger than the original Sour Patch Kids. And we know how strong and tasting the little ones are. It's gonna be 2 times better. Thank you, family.
Nice thing.
So sad.
Thank
That
you.
juice, the juice tastes a little bit.
Huh?
The juice tastes, the juice, I can't say it.
We got
The
juice?
taste of the juice.
It's
Oh.
still in there.
Oh, from the, I hate that.
I have to redo it.
It throws it off.
I can't drink it like
Because
this.
then you want it, but then.
That's what happened in my cup yesterday. It's like it didn't taste like juice.
Oh, shoot. Wow.
Got you the whole set. I hope
really
it smells
good.
good on
Oh,
you.
I
I was just
remember
thinking,
those.
like, our,
I hope it smells good on you.
Yeah, because I'm trying to be steak.
it's gonna smell great.
You know how you know, different smells smell different on everybody.
You're right.
You see?
Aftershave balm. Oh wow.
Yeah. Oh, it smells clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, do this later. It does smell clean.
Yeah, I have a sniff.
Dad,
Don't be staring at me like that, yo.
you are so fun and
This
amazing.
is you are, okay?
Okay. You are so fun and amazing. I am glad that you play with me. You are the best dad a girl can ask for, and I love you with all my heart. Heart. Love, Angelisa. Thanks for being not only my father, but my friend as well. You've made
That's
me
what I
who
keep
I
on.
am today, and I am so grateful. Happy Father's Day.
That's beautiful.
Well, I was like talking a lot, so
I know.
otherwise it would have been done, but
A little bit of Father's Day mukbang.
thanks, guys. No,
Little Father's Day
no
mukbang?
Father's Day mukbang.
Aw.
But I do want to wish every other father also a happy Father's Day, guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying your family on this beautiful day, and that your family make you feel as blessed as I did today. Salute, squad. Salute. Stay Gucci.
Bye.
Yay, yay.
Until next time,
We'll catch you on the flip side.
we'll catch you on the flip side.
On the flip side.
I lied to you guys. I said I was gonna come back and I was gonna be dressed, but I lied.
On the flip
Do a little Father's Day dance. Do the robot, babe. Get him. My mouth got tired. Sorry, guys.
A mukbang.
Goodbye.
A mukbang. Sorry.
I need that.
How was the turkey bacon?
So good.
It was okay? Even though it wasn't bacon? Goodbye.